Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Golf wheel. First, prioritize safety by parking your car on a level, firm surface, well away from any traffic. Make sure to engage the parking brake and put the car into gear. Before you begin, gather all your essential tools, including a sturdy jack, a lug wrench, and wheel chocks for added stability. Once your car is safely parked, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them about 1/2 to 1 full turn counterclockwise. Now, position your jack under the car's designated jacking point, usually near the wheel well. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove all the loosened lug nuts. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Next, take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire onto the studs and then hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the wheel. Gently lower the car using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to tighten the nuts in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure. Lower the car completely, remove the jack, and give the nuts a final snug tighten. Remember to recheck the lug nut tightness after driving about 50 miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.